This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Okay.
Go ahead, slide view.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, this is the first slide. Okay, stay there. No, go first slide, please. Well, stay there. No, go first slide, please. Okay. So again, so now let's learn. Of course, you guys learned this. We did not cover a couple of things. So any web application you test, or as mentioned, there is static, there is dynamic. The e-commerce application or anything you do online transaction back and forth, right? They're all dynamic application, okay? And they communicate a special mechanism in the IT. We gave them name, okay? If an application has the front end, means the website, mobile application, we all call the client. Like the desktop app, mobile app, or the device, or the like a website, you all call the client, but they have a specific name, right? In the browser, we call the front end, right? Mobile app, also client. Desktop app, the thick client, also app, right? And you are working on an application that is actually the actual device, we call the device. So they all call the client. But the client is driven by the something else. Decision making, we call the backend. And this web application has also the front end we have seen, and the backend, this is where the business logic is written. And then there is another layer is called the database, where data is stored. And these three things is called the N tier. Okay, N tier means if there is a more than 2 tier, means more than 2 layers, we call the N tier, means unlimited. N tier means unlimited. I will tell you why. Because this e-commerce application and has the third-party vendor integration. Okay, so it's not only our 3 tier, it's like the third-party multiple integration is there, Google integration is there, email integration is there, text integration is there. Is in general, we call the N tier. So from today, if someone is ask you what is the N tier means, N tier means unlimited layer, means unlimited, like the integration basically is called the N tier. But in general, in the industry, we know that an application, there is a front end, or there is a clients, and the client means the mobile, the desktop, the browser, right? And there is a backend where the business logic run, and there is a what? There is a database where the data is stored. So this section we are going to cover the backend of the e-commerce application. Super important, super powerful. That's actually where all the logic is written, and all the clients are actually doing the action based on the backend logic. Backend logic actually, they make a decision and they respond to the client. At the same time, the advise the database to store the data or to retrieve the data and provide to the clients. It's very important. All right, let's